Hey there, Slurps, this is Lee Slurp Monster here. Welcome back to some more Watch Dogs. Fudging! Excuse me, but jeez, this screen. Excuse me, madam. The fudging screen. Alright, right over there, right over there. I'm almost there. Fudge! This car's hurt. Jeez, this sniper is seriously shooting off doors. Oh my god! No! This is so freaking hard! Alright guys, I'm gonna seem like a freaking wimp lowering it to the least difficulty, but oh my god, I just cannot handle this. You guys have no idea how hard this is. Oh, jeez. Holy crap, my dogs are jumping around downstairs. Alright, let's see gameplay. I know I seem like a freaking wimp, and I probably just am. But... Which one's the one that says hack? That one.
Damien's screwing with the navigation. He's trying to slow me down. Focus on one location at a time.
This is very annoying. This is extremely annoying, though, what's actually happening. Oh, come on, Damien. You are cheap. This is so freaking hard. No. It's not like that's gonna stop me, Damien. I can just go right over here.
Be advised, a high-powered patrol car has been sent to his location.
The thing is, I don't want to kill them.
A high-powered patrol car has been dispatched after the suspect.
This is fun. I booked a trip to Paris, London, England next. Wanna come along? I see what you're doing. Upload your little virus, it sniffs around and finds me. Then you come beat up the cripple. That about right? I'd have guessed you're not reaching into this little gambit. Isn't she? Well, have at it, Aiden. Give me your best and I'll give you mine. And you can brag all about it in the afterlife.
Alright, that one over there. Alright, I believe I can set a waypoint on it. No, I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna be safe. I don't care. They're shoving me into them. Whatever happens is not my fault. Oh my god, you better fudging move, or I will kill myself.
See how smart this network is? It anticipates the problem. You. And fixed it.
Patrol units been dispatched after the suspect.
Huh, pretty good. Is it as good as me? Probably better. Jeez, how much power does this guy have? I like how they're just after me. It's like, holy fudge, it's the vigilante. Murder. I hate when cops do this in games. They freaking do this. Which one's the one that says hack? That one. Alright, then I guess I'm going after it.
We've got a high-powered patrol car.
Alright, there goes my tires.
Look how efficiently our digital city hunts you down. It saves energy consumption.
Would you? This is the dumbest thing ever. Oh my god!
Did you know that opinion polls show that most people find the CTOS to be safe? That's PR for you. Wonder how they'll swing this one.
Alright, come on. What the fudge? Why can't I get up here? Ugh. Annoyance game. Fix it. Have you legit lost sight of me? Wow. Ow. The heck? Where am I going? Where the fudge am I supposed to be going? You know what?
Looks like you did your hacker chick.
other person's just chilling out. It's like, swim. I don't know. Just keep swimming. My screen is so freaking dark. Where am I getting shot from? That guy up there? Ow! I'm getting shot from everything and everyone possible. Is that a police boat? It's probably a police boat. Okay. How am I supposed to lose these people? Wait. What's that gonna do? Darn it!
Copy that.
Alright, there you are.
Patrol unit is en route to a suspect.
There we go. There's one of them gone. Whew. That was not very nice. Fudge you! Get the fudge off of me. Yeah, I don't even care right now. Just keep going. Cause another blackout. Go. Just go. Please. Please. Just go. Oh my god, I lost them. CTOS blackout.
It's done. Your virus is on.
All right, we're in it now. You have to Never mind.
Don't say it, TV. Hold on!
Okay, Caroline.
Hold on, Mom!
That's the safety valve.
And a little more. Once you're inside, you pull the trigger. Lock down, Aiden. And if we're lucky, and I'm as clever as our CV says, you'll get a lock on Damien's location.
That's all I want.
Shut down CTOS. The fudge where am I going again? What is up with my screen? That's so annoying. Oh my god. That is the most annoying thing that can ever happen to a screen. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but my screen is a lot darker. And it's been kind of reduced in size because of like the corners. They aren't, they're basically black, the corners. They're just completely dark. Jeez. Alright. Shut down CTOS. Find Damien and end it. I think this is going to be the last video. If not, then the video before this I lied. and it's gonna be the second to last video because it's actually kind of getting close because of how long that took me. Jeez, that is the most annoying thing ever. And I had to do it on freaking easier, the easiest one. That's probably just because I'm a noob, but whatever. I'm always a noob. Does that say GTA? No, G1A. Get off of me. In my Cadillac. Me in my Cadillac. Me in my Cadillac. Wah, 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 wah. Okay. No dubstep. No dubstep, Tommy. Stop it. Right over there. That guy just barely made it over. Super lucky. Super. Hold on! My mom's called me like 3 times, and I kept saying, hold on. Is this where I enter? No, this is the wrong side. Fudge! I hate how there's a wrong side and a right side, and like that's so dumb. Oh my god, stop, Aiden. I don't even have you in free mode. The heck? Boom.
Wait. We are dead sick. We've been watching. We know what you're doing. You're killing the lies to CTOS.
Enjoy the show.
Give us 30 seconds.
For what?
30 seconds inside CTOS. We drop in our code. Then, when the system reboots, DedSec will control the machine from inside. We will correct what boom is broken. 30 seconds is all we need.
30 seconds, no one knows. Our little secret.
We will be the watchdogs.
Watchdogs.
I'm tired of all the noise.
We will not forget this.
Here we go.
A link to a satellite from the T-Bone's virus will reboot the entire system. It'll stop, dang it. I'm gonna find him.
Goodbye, CTOS.
My God.
Got a lot of cash. Got even more cash. CTOS. Blackout. This one seems to last. Not like this is of any use. Use a boat to reach Damien. Why, where is he? Oh, you little hider. Yes, I am. Okay, hold on.
Why are you so damn stubborn? Quinn's dead. You got your sister back, and Clara? She stabbed you in the back. She helped kill your precious Lena. You know it's true.
What about you? some might blame you for Lena's death.
I wonder who would think that, huh? But why stop there? Perhaps we should blame you. As I recall, the blow-up job was your plan.
I blame myself every day for the plan, for meeting you, for not stopping you when I had the chance. I don't make that mistake anymore. I see a problem, I step in.
Oh yes, the vigilante. I've read your headline.
You're the only problem I see now, and I'm coming for you.
Let's stop him, guys. Hopefully in this video. Alright. My hacking's all upgraded, and guess what? That's...
Power's still running out there. That's Damien.
Alright. Damien! You fudging thing! You fudging thing? I don't even have insults, I just call them things now. No! Oh my god, am I gonna have to swim? No offense, Ubisoft, but swimming in your games is not very fun, or the best. And you often have to do a lot of it. Oh my god. Why can't I climb these rocks? Am I not Assassin's Creed? Come on, man.
Remember when you and I first decided to pool our talents? The schemes we were planning? We had so much drive, but never like this. Look outside. We've taken down a goddamn city.
Ooh, a lift. The lift. What? How come I can still work this? Is this just... Oh yeah, because the power's still running out here. Yep, I'm good. He even said that. This again. Okay, I was
Now I'm spending my final hours standing on the Widow's Walk. That's what they call the lighthouse lookout. The Widow's Walk. Did you know that? I didn't. Seems fitting. Everything reeks of conclusion.
Come on. Surprise, surprise.
You got a speech, Damien? Anything you want to say?
You know who I am now.
That's it? That's all you got?
Hey, fuck you. Look at you. You plot over people to get to a mob boss. You think you're absolved because your cause is what? Noble?
You played me. That's what this is about.
I played you. Clara is as much your fault. So is your niece. That's why you sent your family away, right? They know what you are. You play a beautiful game. But sometimes you still lose.
Ah, Jesus, you guys talk a lot. What are you doing here?
Sorry, pal. New contract. Kick it over.
What?
Come on, kick it over. Oh, you're hilarious. You know, you guys take things far too personally. That's your problem. That's why this went wrong. There's lessons to be learned here, fellas. Up, phone 2. Give it to me. Come on, hand it over.
Blackout. Jordy, I liked you. No.
I don't know what Damien wanted in those final moments. Death, I suppose. I thought I could fix the little girl's death, but instead it led to all of this. Exposed lives, corrupted kings, a broken city. And me, changed man. I don't look back anymore. I don't regret. I look forward. Everything is connected, and I'll use that to expose, to protect.
Bravo. Watch Dogs, one of the best games I've ever played. If you guys want this, head over to GameStop or anywhere you buy your games.
Mayor Rushmore is dead. Police are not revealing any information.
Again. And just this game is so amazing. I really hope they make like something else along these lines, Ubisoft. Maybe not a sequel, I don't know, but I really hope that they make something like this, a hacking game. I really thought this was unique, had a good idea. Anyways, guys, I really hope you have enjoyed the series. I've enjoyed playing and I've enjoyed uploading it for you guys. I just absolutely love this game. I dominated it, or at least tried to. At most points it dominated me, but whatever. This is the Slurp Master, signing off from Watch Dogs. Peace!